And we have another spectacular operation by Ukrainian forces. Ukrainian drone penetrated the Russian air defense and surveillance grid at Olenivka, in Russian-occupied Crimea. The drone documented the destruction of a full S-400 Triumph long- and medium-range anti-aircraft missile system along its crew. There are a range of Russian radar units stationed in this area, and not even one saw this coming. Neither the drone nor the incoming missiles which destroyed them. It is unclear whether the Ukrainian drone was able to slip through because of clever electronic warfare tactics, or simply because of the well-known low quality of the Russian technology. Either way, it is an embarrassment for Russia, once again. How do you explain to your boss that a drone was flying over your super high-tech air defense system, filming it as it was hit by a missile it's supposed to be able to shoot down? The system is worth staggering $200 million, and the other problem is that Russians have a limited number of them. New video of the confrontation between Ukrainian boats and the Russian Su-30 SM fighter. It seems that they were trying to seize or damage the oil platform. An anti-aircraft missile was fired at the plane. In turn, either a rocket or an aerial shot at the boats missed. It is not yet known how it all ended, but the Ukrainian military is feeling bolder in the Black Sea. There was another apparent UAV attack on a building in Moscow City. The Ukrainian drone attacks are becoming a daily routine in Moscow. A continuing threat.
Как бы на Химкинский завод не летел. Все, ушел звук. Дроны летят.
UK defense intel has assessed that recent attacks on Russian Tu-22 M3 strategic bombers at Soltsky 2 were likely launched by operators close to the airbase. This indicates that Ukrainian intelligence assets are operational within Russian territory. Somehow I managed to miss the ideological, international, outwardly political turning point the world apparently went through after it absolutely totally cornered itself without a way out. Drunk Zakharova is under the impression the West is ready for proper Russia-induced bending.
Я могу вас поздравить. Это тот самый идеологический, международный, внешнеполитический перелом, в который еще 1,5 года назад, как вы помните, многие не хотели верить. А теперь мы с вами свидетели. Мы с вами слышим и будем слышать это еще в таких вариациях, о которых мало кто мог подумать целый 22 год. Как сказал президент России, танки немецкие горят, и к этому можно добавить то самое историческое, и шведы гнутся. Они гнулись, гнутся и будут гнуться дальше. Потому что, как это говорила Россия неоднократно, наше-то дело правое. Мы знаем, за что мы встали. Они зашли в абсолютный, тотальный, безвыходный тупик. Всю вторую половину 21-го предлагали им варианты для того, чтобы, не столько, наверное, сохранить им лицо, да это и лицом уже нельзя назвать, а просто для того, чтобы мир не входил в то пике, который ему подготовил Запад.
A German Marder 1A3 IFV with the Ukrainian armed forces reportedly got stuck in a trench earlier today near the front line in the east. New footage from the partially Western-equipped Ukrainian 82nd Air Assault Brigade showing some of their equipment during training activities over the past few months. The brigade is now reportedly in combat around Robotyne. Bonked. -5 invaders and an infantry fighting vehicle that costs $3 million. Captured Russian tank.
Пидорский танк. Да, сейчас. БК на танк.
Yesterday was the National Flag Day in Ukraine. Grateful to Ukrainian defenders that it's our blue and yellow flag proudly waving over Ukrainian cities. And it will be raised over the entire free Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.